Hey, welcome back to UCARS. I'm Nick. This is Shu. He's here again today. We have a cool car here, actually. But not that one. That one's definitely cool because that one did a track day. But there's another cool car that does plenty of track days. The GT350R. This car is amazing, all in one. This is like one of my other dream cars, which you acquired.
We have it in the family, Nick. That's all that matters. You could drive mine, I'll drive yours. We can switch.
It's funny too because, I mean, I have my tow rig. Nobody has seen that yet, but I guess today we're just, yeah. I have another 150. But yeah, this is another one of my dream cars. This is a GT350R. You can see it by the wing, the carbon fiber wheels, which I still can't get over. They're painted. That's pretty cool. Yeah. It's just, man, like, you just have to drive it and you just have to just listen to this thing. Like, you need to listen.
And
you just need to listen.
Hear it. You will hear it when we drive it today.
Yeah. So today I gotta go through my car, which is back here. I gotta go through my car. I need to do a bolt check. I need to do an oil fluid check, as well as change the oil, because on my track day, if you've already seen the video, we actually had to do a few cool down laps, like a couple at least, to actually cool down the car. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to change the radiator behind here. So this radiator is gonna have to get changed for either a Monsoon or a Mishimoto, one of the two. I'm probably gonna go Monsoon, to be honest with you. But the car performed phenomenally besides that. Brakes worked amazingly. Those are SynchroTech rotors with Hawk pads. Those are the 5.0s that are in there. You don't have to do that. I did that just because I wanted to have better braking performance than factory, which is just, again, pads, rotors. But during that track day, which I'll probably explained in the previous video, was I actually cooked my brake fluid to the point where at one point, I don't know if I caught it on video, but my foot actually went to the floor. Almost to the floor on the hard braking zone, which that freaked me out, and I was like, nope, I'm cooling down. That's probably a sign to that I need to take it easy now and just focus on my racing line, which I did, which is cool. I wish you were there. Unfortunately, he was working, so maybe next time. But yeah, today we're just gonna do an oil change on my car and do a quick bolt check while I'm still under there, checking everything. Got to change the filter, go through everything, and then that fine looking. That car is coming in and it's also doing an oil change. Funny enough, both of these cars actually take 5W50. Filter will be changed though. It's not that filter. It's something else. But damn, look at that. He comes prepared, and he's got a full crate. Damn.
It takes 10 quarts.
It takes 10.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it is like two more, or two times what this is. It has 2 cylinder, or 2 times the cylinder, so it's 8. And it's a paper filter? What?
Yeah.
What?
Well, it's paper,
it's got the
steel.
Little insert. Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah.
What is that?
We're about to find out.
What the heck is... That's pretty cool. It's just like, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of your Audi.
Like a German car.
Yeah, it reminds me of your Audi. But it's pretty cool because...
It's not a can.
Yeah, it's not an actual metal can like that with all the filtration in there. But I think this is going to be pretty cool because I have never had oil changed a Mustang. I'm gonna just throw that out there, but this is not just any Mustang. This is a Shelby GT350R. So cool. Let's yeah, we need to get rolling because it's gonna get warm pretty fast here. So let's go. All right. So while I'm grabbing tools, I'm gonna have Shu go get the get that stuff. What do you mean you want a shorter one?
Like a shorter one of this, because it's kind of like hitting your roll bar.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, I can get a shorty.
Or not, if not, it'll fit, it's just...
I can get a shorty, yeah. I think one of these is a 15. 15? I think. I'll just get you a 15. Here. You try that. It'll work. Damn, look at that. What about... Oh, that's actually not bad. We're not dripping too much. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. We're good. See, I knew it was going to work. I'm going to have to find those later. There's something inside the box.
Nick, can I get tissues?
Yes, you can.
You know.
Okay. You just yeet it back at me? Well, looking at everything else, it doesn't look like it's too bad. Man, look at that stream. That's not too bad though.
No, it's not.
It's looking pretty clean.
Yeah, it's clean.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, we'll come back. It doesn't look too bad. Come on. Come on. I know there's oil in there. There you are. Dang, it's like I changed the oil before we went out on the track. Pretty much the last bit of it right there. Change this, change the from the oil filter, and then change the or change this, then fill it back up with oil. I'm pretty much done. I don't see any other leaks down here. There's no leaks, no anything weird after all that. I don't see any bolts loose. I didn't feel any, at least when I went under here to look at everything. Literally inspected all underneath, check the motor mounts, or motor mount back here, and the top side motor mounts looked good, they felt good, none of that moved. Even over there I have a paint mark on my end link, it didn't really move, so none of that moved. So yeah, we're just finishing up this, and then all I gotta do is just finish up putting oil in it, and yeah, we're good. GT500, or not GT500. Alright, we got the GT350R in the air. And right now he's taking out his oil. Wow, look at that. Got a gusher. You're fine. I'll clean it up later. But and interestingly enough, you just use an extension. Can you show it to me? Look at that. It's literally just an extension. You stuff it in there. It's a 3/8 extension.
It's not gonna overfill, Nick?
It shouldn't. It's fine. Alright, apologies for the noise. We got a fan going. It's hot in here, but that's still draining. How was it? Wasn't too bad, right?
It's not too bad. It's very easy. This thing is very useful. It's literally just the orange thing right here.
Yeah, look at that. That is literally your drain plug. It's plastic, but
and you just use.
Yeah, it's literally just an extension, or you know, the 3/8 drive, and just stick it in there and just pop that sucker out. That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
It makes it pretty easy, but it also, to me, in my eyes, I think that's also like a leak point if you don't, you know, tighten it on correctly or whatnot, or if you don't change the O-ring, or if you don't have one. But man, I think it'll be fine. We got the right equipment to put the stuff together, so he's got to do that. And what's cool is that actually you don't need to take off the splash pan. Apparently, you see that hole that's above him, on his hip, above his hip. See that hole right there? It's under the screen. So that right there is actually where you get the oil filter out, which is pretty cool, if you ask me. They made this really, really easy to work on. Let's see if I can see it on this side. It's like above his hip on this side. I can't really see it. It's actually right there, yeah. Kinda. Yeah. So from above, I can't see much, but it's basically directly down below. You have the oil filter right there. You'll basically undo that. It's a paper filter from what I saw. Hang on, let me go get that. So as you saw earlier, it's a paper filter. It's pretty cool. So it's like his RS3 and his Mercedes actually. You take the plastic piece out, it has a paper filter in it, take it out, replace the O-ring, which typically these will have an O-ring already in, that you replace the old one with, and you swap it, and we fill it up with oil right here. It's funny enough that actually this car and my car take the same oil. It takes 5W50. So that's pretty cool. I think there's also another car that takes it. I think it's the new GT500 and of course the Ford GT. They also take 5W50. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and drain the oil filter next, and then fill it up, and this car will be done. And then we can go do cool stuff.
Am I going which way?
If you're gonna go towards the rear of the vehicle.
Okay.
How's it going? Seems like you're having fun. Total concentration. From what it looks like. Maybe. No?
Yeah.
Are you not entertained?
Right?
Yeah.
Pull everything else from underneath.
Are we fine dropping it all the way down? Yes.